name is Rebecca, and I've been part of the CleanFoodCrush community for about a year now. I started my first challenge last March 2022, and I gave a video testimony about 3 months into that I had lost 15 pounds. And here I am a year later. I've lost 32 pounds and about 17 inches. I feel great. It's been very sustainable for me over the last year. It's become like second nature, the way I eat throughout the day. I appreciate all of Rachel's delicious recipes. It keeps things, gives variety and keeps things interesting. And I'm really excited. Some other friends have started joining the challenge, and it's been really rewarding and fun for them so far as well. I would just encourage anybody who is thinking about it to take the plunge and invest in yourself, invest in your health. It's been one of the best decisions I've made, and just thankful for this community